Hello everyone, I'm Amy.
And I'm Jeff.
Welcome to our second episode of tasting unique snack. So today we're going to try another 4 kinds of snack, and I hope they taste better than our last video, and hope you already check it out. So let's get started.
So start with...
I'm kind of excited.
Yeah, we're in a secret area. Okay, so the first one is India's Magic Masala. Don't get too close, because last time I didn't really focus very well, but okay.
So from last episode we tried a Chinese classic lace flavor.
Yeah, cucumber.
And the flavor is cucumber, and this one is, what's the flavor again? Masala?
Indians. Yeah.
It's called Indian's Magic Masala. Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
It's okay.
Why are snacks so hard to open?
Do you want to tell everybody where we are right now?
No, it's a secret.
Okay. You can tell we're not at home.
I'm at a secret location.
This smells like barbecue.
It smells like masala.
Smells like, okay. So it's,
Okay, masala cheers.
the shape-wise, it's the same, right? Nothing is very
It's
different.
normal,
Yeah. All right. A bit.
Here's like masala.
Yeah, a bit sour though.
Mm.
Is masala this sour?
I think so, yeah. Maybe it's part of the tomato powder or citric acid.
Mm.
Or maybe dried mango powder. That could be it. Maybe it's like a raw mango. Okay.
So what's your rating for it? Personally, I don't
I think it's
like
like a
it
3.
because it's too sour, so I will give it.
It's kind of spicy.
It's spicy and sour.
Spicy.
Yeah. I don't like it. It's too strong for me. I'm gonna give it maybe 2.
We're gonna go a little bit faster today.
It's okay. We can have.
Okay. This
Take our
one's Miangam Krobos flavor. Is this Thai? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's Thai. Or is it?
Yeah, it's another
Yeah, it looks
lace,
Thai.
but from another country. Let's see.
Oh, the other one's from India, I want to say.
Of course. I think we
Is it?
mentioned it. It's called Indian's Magic.
Anyways.
Magic Masala. And this one is either.
I think it's Thai. This is
from
Thai rating, right?
Yeah, but because when
Oh yeah, right here. See, Lay's Thai.
Oh yeah.
Thailand.
Because when we bought it from
Vietnamese. place,
Vietnamese little supermarket, very small one, and so we were not sure this is Thai or Vietnamese, but it says here Lay's Thailand, so it's from Thailand, and
And on the front it doesn't say Lay. It's like L-A-U.
yeah, it's Thai, and this is it focusing? I don't know how to pronounce it. Do you know how to?
It says Miang Cam Krobos.
Krobos flavor. I'm
Yeah.
not sure what it is.
I don't know.
Oh, but I saw this at the Thai food cooking channel. I think I see something similar to this dish.
It looks like there's a lime spice like Thai chilies.
And then
Is
like
that
dried shrimp.
And I don't know what that is. Is that cheese or
Not sure. Let's try it.
I don't know. On the back it shows ginger, but that's
Yeah. Maybe it's like spicy,
Man,
sour
the
too.
Thai ones are so easy to open. Why is this? Why is the Indian one so hard to open?
Oh yeah, from last video I remember another 2 Indian snacks are very hard to open too. Very interesting.
So these are more like regular potato chips. They don't
Yeah.
have like the little lines.
Yeah.
on them.
Cheers. I prefer that kind of chips. This one is too. This kind of regular chips is too hard for me to buy. Mm. Mm. Because we don't know the original flavor, so we cannot really tell if it's, what it says on the package. It's not bad.
It kind of tastes sweet.
Yeah,
like
it's sweet.
a type of cereal that I used to have called Fruit Loops. They're like these different colored circles, and it has like a toucan Sam. It tastes kind of like that, Fruit
I don't
Loops.
know what you're talking about. But it has a very unique. It's sweet, but it has something else.
I would read you
Another herbs, I think.
I would read you some of the ingredients, but it's all in Thai, so I
Yeah,
have no idea.
We don't know what. Well, it's good. What's the rating for that one? I like it. I like it a little
4
bit.
out of.
Yeah, the chip itself is good too.
Oh, potato chips. This one is.
This one is we bought it from.
It says shiitake mushroom chips.
Yeah, we bought this from a local Chinese supermarket.
Great Wall.
And yeah, it's called Great Wall. Actually, it's a big one. Yeah, and it's kind of like there are a lot of similar snacks, I would say, from the same brand or company, and they have all the not common vegetables or food,
Yeah.
and they make them
There's like 4 of them, I
into
think.
no, definitely more than 4, like a lot of different kinds. So we picked 2 that we found more unique. But most of them are not like common food that you would make into dried chips.
Like shiitake mushroom.
Yeah, like shiitake mushroom. I never had shiitake mushroom chips. So pretty excited to try this one. And it's very cute. The name is called 熊孩子, which means naughty kids.
Naughty kids can eat shiitake mushrooms. That's not right.
And it's a bear kid because 熊 means bear.
This little.
Yeah, but yeah, that's a good question. I don't know how to translate 熊孩子 in English exactly. Because 熊孩子is more like a way to describe those kids don't like make a mess or do something not very great. So that's why I say naughty kids.
Sounds about right.
Okay, let's try this one.
It's like a little bear with a sword and a cape on
It's
top
very
of a paper
cute.
airplane.
The package is definitely cute.
What?
There's
Why is it
another,
double bag? This is not cool. Time for this.
there's another bag inside of that bag. Oh, I know why. Because this bag has the zipper. It's called zipper.
Yeah, but
So if you didn't finish it, you can still zip it up.
you can buy it online. It's like something Tmall.com or whatever.
Oh yeah, Tmall.com is a very popular, famous online shopping website, and you can buy pretty much everything from that website. Smells, I don't know, a little strange.
Smells like vegetable.
Oh yeah, it's shiitake mushroom. This is amazing.
I can't
It's
focus
a
that
little,
close.
it's a little mushroom.
But yeah, it's a mushroom. All right, mushroom cheers.
Cheers. It's a small. Maybe it's because dried, so it looks small. Okay, let's taste it.
It's so weird. When I think of mushroom, I never think of crunchy,
No,
but it lost all of its shiitake flavor. It tastes like bread,
no, it tastes like bread.
like sweet bread.
What's inside? At least I can read Chinese, so I know what's inside of this. Yeah, it's just the ingredients are very, very
Feel.
simple.
Yeah.
So just shiitake mushroom and the vegetable oil, a little bit salt, and the sugar that I forgot the name of it, but the one we like.
It says maltose on here.
we used to make Peking duck,
Maltose.
maltos. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Maltose.
Oh yeah, they have an English name there.
I can read Chinese. No, just English.
It's not bad. It just doesn't taste like mushroom anymore. And it's kind of unique, weird that it's crunchy. It looks still like mushroom, right?
It looks
Pretty
like
much like mushroom. I thought they sliced it, but they actually didn't. They just dried it up, and it still looks like shiitake mushroom, but it tastes totally different. It's crunchy.
It's bread.
Very interesting.
It's not even mushroom. It's just bread that looks like a mushroom.
And the last one is from the same. Oh, what's the rating for that one? I would give it 3.5. It's not bad. I will eat more, definitely. It just doesn't taste like mushroom.
Yeah, because it's shiitake
Anymore.
mushrooms, I would say it's a 4, but the taste is like a 3. Just like sweet bread.
But it's mushroom though. It's not. You know that it's not bread. So
Yeah,
it's,
because I know that it's a 4. But if I didn't know that and I just ate it and it was like tasted like bread that looks like mushroom, it's like a 3.
so it's good snack.
Healthy.
Healthier snack. And this one, it's okra.
Yeah, okra.
Okra chips. Very interesting. I don't usually cook okra, or I never really eat okra that often. I don't know how about you. Like I'm Chinese,
Rarely,
like
very
we don't
rarely.
really cook okra in daily basis. So I would say I didn't have a lot of okra, but
But I've had okra chips before. They sell them at like maybe Trader Joe's or farmers markets sometimes,
Okay.
like Amish market. Bought it there.
I'm not sure I ever had it, like okra chips.
It's good.
So I'm very excited to try it. And the same, like they only put a little bit more toast sugar, then salt and oil, and that's it. That's the ingredients are very simple, which is a good thing, right? They didn't put any other weird stuff inside.
Yeah.
Ooh, this one doesn't have another bag. I wonder why.
Great.
Oh, this is cute. They really
Oh my goodness,
dried
that's huge.
all the okras. Like
It's huge.
it's huge okras. Is that
It's like,
fake?
look, that's like bigger than my hand almost.
Oh, this is cute.
How come mine's so
is.
tiny?
You get another one.
It's okay. All right, okra cheers.
And this is so cute.
This is cute.
I don't want to eat it.
Okay.
You see inside? Focusing.
You gotta pull back more. There. Yeah, that's it.
It's not bad. The okra chips you had before, it's like this.
Sweeter, yeah. It's like
It's
this.
like they
It's
dried
yeah, it's just like
the
this.
whole thing, or
I
they
think this is
sliced it.
No, whole thing.
Okay.
5 out of 5.
And you can still taste the okra flavor out of this, and it's pretty good. I like it. I like it too. And it's less weird. It's because you still taste what it is. But for the shiitake mushroom one, you taste something totally different. Like if you close your eyes and you try it, you will never guess it's
Yeah, I think it's
shiitake
some
mushroom.
sweet bread.
You know?
Sweet cracker.
And for this one, you can still taste the flavor.
Yeah.
And it's good. I like it. And it's cute. I think both of them are cute because they still look like the food itself.
You cracked it.
We cracked the whole thing. This is so cute. You see?
What's your rating?
Cracked the whole thing. I like this one. I will give it 4. Give it 4 out of 5. Yeah. Because I'm not a big okra fan, but I like this one. I tried, like, they dried it very well.
Yeah. I've seen videos on YouTube where like people
Very
farm
crunchy.
okras
In
and
very
they just
good way.
they pick okras off of the plant and they just eat the raw okra. I've never eaten a raw okra, so I'm not sure, but
Yeah, it's really good. And you can see the seeds, right? They dry it very well. You can see
It's not.
are those the seeds?
Yes.
They are the seeds, right?
Let's keep this area clean.
Yeah, you can see all the seeds here. So, very cool. I really like this one. Okay. So
Nice.
pretty much we tried all 4 snacks we have, and actually we're keeping buying more snack.
Oh yeah, we buy a lot of snacks.
So I think because from last video we were talking about we will have like 8 kinds of snacks and there would be 2 videos. But I think we're going to make more videos about snacks because we just cannot stop buying more.
Yeah, so if you guys have any snack recommendations for us, let us know and we'll give them a try.
Okay, and I'm still holding them, so see you guys next time. Bye.
See you guys next time.